One public health official is projecting an improvement in the economic situation in Jamaica once the COVID-19 vaccine is introduced into the population. This just days before the first doses of vaccine are expected in the island from India. Details in this report.
I want you all to line up for this vaccine. Line up for it.
A rallying call to Clarendon residents to get the COVID-19 vaccine when the time comes. The call was made by the parish's medical officer, Dr. Kimberly Scarlett Campbell, who reiterated the benefits of the vaccine.
If you get the vaccine, it will keep you from getting seriously ill, even if you do get COVID, because you have to get 2 doses of the vaccine for you to get full protection. So if you are exposed, even after the first dose, it will prevent you from getting seriously ill. So you want to protect grandma, you want to protect that baby, you want to protect your household, you want to protect your children. So if you vaccinate yourself as an adult, you're protecting your family.
In addition to the health benefits, the public health official believes the country's economy will be better off once the people are vaccinated.
This is what's going to get Jamaica back on track. This is what's going to cut back on the lockdowns and all of those things and the job losses. This is going to be good for Jamaica. Countries like Israel have started to open up. Things are easing in America because of the rollout of the vaccine. And things are slowly starting to get back to normal.
The medical officer was giving an update on the COVID-19 situation in Clarendon. Dr. Scarlett Campbell explained that the parish, like most others, has its struggles, with some residents ignoring the containment measures. She indicated that communities in northern Clarendon were showing the most worrying increase in COVID-19 cases.
We started out the year with about 50 for the week, and now we have gone up to about 140 cases per week. So we have like a tripling. So you're talking about the triple threat? We have a triple threat even now with the COVID.
Our news team ventured onto the streets of the parish capital, May Pen, to observe some of the COVID-19 protocols among the people as they moved about. It was a mixed situation, with some persons wearing masks while others had on none. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.